cross. You forgot your cross. There you go. He's too busy watching the weaves. Get on the other side. Put him on your left. There you go. Over, switch in. There we go. Whoops, where's the tunnel? He's like, where are we going, Mom? You get lost and then they get lost. Yeah, up the middle. Yeah, you were a little too close to the tunnel there, Judy. You were kind of blocking the dog with the person. You had to back up. Did you feel yourself?
Yes. Yep.
Now leave that open for her.
Yep.
Get in. Come on, Emma. Yay! We'll work more on those rear